Time can run away and hide, move on out and slide away. It's a big world, I'm living day to day. Whatever's next in line, one thing at a time. I have an old friend whose secrets I keep, and it's a two-way kind of thing. Started way back when, now and then we slip away across the line. We can always find the time. Random shapes are floating by, see 'em moving in the sky. Sometimes that is all I see, looking at my life, and I don't know what it means. But I have an old friend whose vision is clear. When the picture won't take shape, the clarity escapes, we stand back, see it coming into view. We can always see it through. I know that's forever been true. It's not always easy, it leaves you black and blue. So I won't forget, I'll remember the next time I'm holding a losing hand, thistle and a thorn. My old friend is just a memory away. It's enough to ease the day. I have an old friend who lives far away. Though the future is unknown, no matter what it holds, here we are. The current pulls us in, together once again.